Vice President Constantine Chiwenga's words echo a rallying cry for Zimbabweans to take control of their nation's destiny. In quotes, we are the owners of all God-given resources, and we need those resources now to turn them if we are to have meaningful economic growth. Zimbabwe's God-given resources are for the people. It's time to use them to unlock our economy. Sadabina mashkobda togo na VP Constantine Chiwenga sono kwanzi VP Constantine Chiwenga aiwa pangwa inoi is the people's general. People must stand by him, not by subscribe or like on the bell icon. Makomi Jam Ramera Chiti, listening to Mukanya's words, you can feel the passion he has for Zimbabwe and his strong desire to see every citizen benefit from the country's resources. This statement is more than just a call to action. It's a declaration of intent. Zimbabwe is blessed with an abundance of natural resources, from the rich soils around all provinces to the minerals wealth of the Great Dike. Yet, decades of economic stagnation and mismanagement have left the country struggling to provide for its people. VP Chiwenga's message is clear. It's time for Zimbabweans to reap the benefits of their own resources. By harnessing the country's natural wealth, Zimbabwe can unlock economic growth, create jobs, and improve living standards. The question is, what's holding us back? The answer lies in the very resources we are blessed with. By taking control of our resources, we can break free from the shackles of economic dependence and chart a path towards prosperity. Let's turn our resources into opportunities. Let's turn our land into food, our minerals into industries, and our people into a skilled workforce. It's time for Zimbabwe to unleash its full potential. Do mashoko anotaurwa panguva ino na VP Constantine Chiwenga, mashoko anoonekwa kunzi aiwa nyika yese iri kuafarira. Muna comment section medu zofunguro enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.